Okay, start. Hi everybody, my name is Billy Ang. I'm the tutor for P2. Alright, today basically I want to discuss the hot topic for June 2011 exam. Alright, generally P2 is a challenging paper, so I'm going to do is that I'm going to do a quick so-called discussion on the examination question for this coming exam. Alright, for question 1 will be compulsory. It's a question which involves case study. In total there will be 50 marks. For this question here, you need to prepare consolidated financial statements. You involve around 35 marks. It's not only on consolidations. You are required to prepare adjustment relating to FRS, which not involving consolidation. The important issue here for this coming exam, you should focus more on foreign operation, alright, which is mean FRS 21, together with changes in parent interest. For this topic, chances is that you'll be given a set of financial statement for subsidiary, which you need to translate from the functional currency to presentation currency. In other words, you have to apply FRS 21 before you do the consolidation. And changes of parent interest is a very important topic for all exams. So you have to take notes. So the examiner may combine these two issues as one and put it under question 1, part A. As for part B, normally involve ethical issue. So the ethical issue will be around 5 to 7 marks. You have to discuss is there any violations of code of ethics with reference to the question. So that will be question 1, in total 50 marks. For question 2 and 3 will be section B, it's an optional question, it's part of the optional question. For these two questions, will be scenario based. Alright, you are required to provide suitable accounting practice, advice on accounting practice in relation to a question. So you need to apply various FRS. Like for example, FRS 16 talking about PPE, FRS 17 talking about accounting for leases, FRS 102 talking about share-based payment transaction. So you must be able to advise the clients or advise the company in the appropriate accounting treatments of the various transactions. And for question 2 or 3, you may be required to discuss a little bit of ethical issue. Alright, for question 2 or 3, probably will be you will integrate a few FRS. For example, question 2, they may talk about 2 or 3 FRS, whereas question 3 will be talking about 5 to 6 FRS. So you must be very familiar with the relevant accounting standards. As for question 4 will be the last question, it's also part of the optional question, section B. For question 4, likely to be an essay question. Alright, as part A, which cover currently discussed issue. The currently discussed issue, like for example, the exposure draft, FRS for SME, and it may also involve, like for example, group so-called group issue like group restructuring and so on. The current issue that you should take note for this coming in June 2011 will be things like revenue recognition in contract with customer. This exposure draft eventually will replace FRS 11 and FRS 18. So revenue is an important issue for all companies. So this may be an important topic for this coming exam. So you have to take note of the proposal under the exposure draft. And you also need to know the improved conceptual frameworks. This conceptual framework will replace the existing frameworks. So this area has been examined a couple of years ago, so the examiner may revisit this issue again. And last round there was question on FRS for SME. So for this round, you'll be good if you can take a look again. Alright, so this will be question 4. You'll discuss the current issue. The important FRS for June 2011, okay, will be things like, for section A, you need to know FRS 27, FRS 28, and FRS 103. These are the standards involving a consolidation. And other FRS which involving adjustment are things like FRS 12 accounting for deferred tax, IFRS 16 accounting for PPE, IFRS 17 accounting for leases, IFRS 18 accounting for revenue, IFRS 19 maybe the employer benefits. 21 is a very important topic for this coming exam, translation of financial statements as well as accounting for foreign exchange transaction. IFRS 24 related party transaction. There's a new revised standard IFRS 24 this round, so you may need to take a look. IFRS 33 is earning per share, IFRS 38 intangible assets, and IFRS 32 and 39 are all the while important because these are talking about financial instrument. And the last one is IFRS 105. Okay, it's talking about non-current assets held for sales. So these are the important IFRS that you have to take notes. Other than this, you should also spend time on those IFRS that are not listed here. But this will be personally important for this coming exam. Alright, so if any question, you can send an email to FTMS. Alright, attention to me. Okay, I will get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Biliang. Thank you very much.